Finding an 11-bedroom mansion in Latvia is a unique endeavor, as such expansive properties are relatively rare. However, here are some notable listings that might interest you. 11-bedroom townhome in Jāemala. This luxurious townhome spans 1,286 square meters and is situated on a 2,791 square meters plot. Located in the coastal city of Jāemala, it's listed at €4,700,000. 8-bedroom manor house in Gulbene. While slightly smaller, this manor offers 8 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Nestled in the picturesque town of Gulbene, surrounded by lakes, it's priced at £44,690. 11-room house in Riga. Located in the capital city, this property offers 11 rooms across 762 square meters. It's available for €494,000. Exploring luxury mansions and esteemed boarding schools in Latvia reveals a blend of architectural elegance and educational excellence. Here's an overview. Luxury mansions in Latvia. Latvia boasts a selection of opulent properties, particularly in areas like Jāemala and Riga. Notable listings include: Latvia offers a range of luxury mansion hotels that blend historical charm with modern amenities. Here are some notable options. These establishments provide a unique blend of Latvia's rich history and luxurious comfort, ensuring a memorable stay. Exemplifies International School EIS. Located in PII, EIS provides education from early years through secondary levels. The boarding facilities. Finding a 7-bedroom luxury house in Latvia offers a range of exquisite properties. Here are some notable listings. Elegant 7-bedroom house in Sunai. This spacious detached house features a large living room with a fireplace, a modern kitchen, and 7 bedrooms. The property boasts high-quality finishes and a beautiful wooden staircase leading to the upper floors. Located in the capital city, this 817 square meters property offers 12 rooms, including 7 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The house comes furnished and includes amenities such as a balcony and garage. Stunning 8-bedroom villa in Jāemala. While slightly smaller, this 450 square meters villa offers 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. Situated in the coastal city of Jāemala, the property provides luxury. Latvia boasts a rich collection of luxury mansions, many of which feature exquisitely designed sitting rooms that blend historical elegance with modern comfort. Here are some notable examples. Mayotten Palace. Located in the Semigalia region, Mayotten Palace is a prime example of neoclassical architecture. The palace's interior includes a grand main hall influenced by the Pantheon in Rome, surrounded by various salons and a dining room, all reflecting the opulence of the era. Situated in the Courland region, Peli Palace showcases early Art Nouveau influences with German and Neo-Renaissance and Baroque features. The first floor was historically used for the estate owner's needs, featuring a large library with a luxurious winding staircase and beautifully styled bookcases. Built in the late 19th century in French and Neo-Renaissance style, Bibrine Manor's interior boasts a hall, decorated with crystal chandeliers and antique furniture imported from Paris. The lounges and library are adorned with marble fireplaces, offering a glimpse into the luxurious lifestyles of its former inhabitants. Constructed between 1786 and 1807 in classical style, Žiemeri Manor offers guests the opportunity to experience historical times. Visitors can try on period clothing in the manor salon and enjoy desserts prepared according to old recipes in the manor CAF 4 Roses and Vilks. Latvia offers a range of luxury mansions featuring exquisitely designed bedrooms that blend historical charm with modern amenities. Here are some notable examples. Located in the Courland region, Peli Palace showcases early Art Nouveau influences with German and Neo-Renaissance and Baroque features. The first floor was historically used for the estate owner's needs, featuring a large library with a luxurious winding staircase and beautifully styled bookcases. Latvia offers a selection of luxury mansions featuring exquisitely designed bedrooms that blend historical charm with modern amenities. Here are some notable examples. These properties exemplify the luxurious living spaces available in Latvia, each offering unique features and designs to cater to discerning tastes. This exclusive villa in Riga offers luxurious bedrooms with elegant designs. The The property is situated in a prime location, providing easy access to the city's amenities while ensuring privacy and comfort. Located in the heart of Jayamala, this prestigious house boasts beautifully designed bedrooms with luxurious interiors. The property is in close proximity to the beach, providing a perfect blend of comfort and seaside living. Located in Latvia, Villa Margarita is a 26,000 square foot mega mansion. The interior showcases a grand living area adorned with opulent furnishings, crystal chandeliers, and intricate moldings, reflecting a commitment to luxury and attention to detail. Latvia boasts a selection of luxury mansions featuring elegantly designed resting areas that blend historical charm with modern comfort. Here are some notable examples. Latvia offers a variety of 5-bedroom properties for sale and rent, catering to diverse preferences and budgets. Here are some notable options. Elegant 5-bedroom house in Jayamala. This spacious 560 square meters residence features 6 rooms, including 5 bedrooms, and is located in the coastal city of Jayamala. The property boasts modern amenities and is situated in a serene environment. Elegant 5-bedroom house in Jayamala. This spacious 560 square meters residence features 6 rooms, including 5 bedrooms, and is located in the coastal city of Jayamala. The property boasts modern amenities and is situated in a serene environment. Latvia's luxury real estate market offers a diverse array of high-end properties, including opulent mansions, villas, and apartments. For those interested in acquiring such properties, several reputable agencies provide comprehensive services and guidance. Sotheby's International Realty is a renowned global brand specializing in luxury real estate. Their Latvian branch offers a curated selection of premium properties, including detailed listings and personalized